Sealed Air introduces the Ultipack Automated Void Containment System. The Ultipack process automatically inserts a corrugated wedge inside a tray on top of the box contents, locking them in place. This corrugated wedge prevents the box contents from shifting during shipping. The Ultipack system is designed for fulfillment operations where the goal is to minimize shipping, consumables, and operating costs while optimizing productivity. One Ultipack system can support multiple pick stations while reducing the overall number of packers. The Ultipack system process can be divided into 4 steps: automatic tray forming, item placement, automatic wedge placement, automatic lid placement, and pack closure. Let's look at the Ultipack process again in detail. The first step is to create a tray. This is done automatically by the tray forming module. A tray flat is dispensed, dabbed with glue, and then pushed through the former. This process results in a uniformly square-shaped tray that is stronger than a traditional regular slotted container. The newly formed containers are conveyed to the picking area. Here the pickers place the items to be shipped in the tray. The tray with items is conveyed to the wedging module. The wedge flat is formed and glue is applied as it is gently pressed into the tray, locking the contents in place. The wedge tray is conveyed to the lidding module. Glue is applied to the lid as it is dispensed and pressed onto the tray, sealing the pack. This corrugated wedge prevents the box contents from shifting during shipping. Let's look at the Ultipack system one more time. The tray is formed. Pickers place items into the tray. The wedge is pressed into the tray, locking the contents in place. The lid is placed, sealing the pack. The Ultipack system can be integrated with ERP and WMS system software. It can also be used in conjunction with warehouse equipment, including conveyors, sorters, voice picking, scales, and label-on-label printing with part lists. The Ultipack system can be equipped with an optional module to insert inflatable bubble or paper on the top of the pick product or on the carton bottom. Additionally, the traditional corrugated wedge can be replaced by a Corview wedge for additional performance and can be used as retention or suspension. Savings on operations. Tray forming, wedging, and lidding process is automated and high throughput. Picking is more productive in trays than in RSCs. Savings on materials. The wedge cost is half that of traditional void fill materials. For most box sizes, the tray and lid package costs less than an RSC. Ultipack materials can be sourced from local suppliers. Savings on reduced return ratio. The Ultipack wedge increases box strength, adding product protection. The glued pack is securely sealed and tamper-evident. The protection is consistent and efficient, regardless of the production speed, whatever the box filling rate, or product mix. Enhanced image. Good environmental profile. The 100% corrugated package is curbside recyclable. Impressive package. The finished appearance of the package enhances brand image. Unique packaging possibilities. The 3 pieces of the package can be printed differently. Reliability. The Ultipack system is safe, reliable, and designed in accordance with CE European directives. The Ultipack system is CSA compliant and tested and approved by NRTL.